options to hire a machine and do it yourself. Well, this short video will help you plan your DIY carpet cleaning and figure out if it's cost effective to do so. For some people, hiring a machine to clean your carpets can be a very good idea. Maybe you're on an extremely tight budget, or perhaps your carpets are at the end of their useful life and you're just trying to eke out an extra few months before you consider replacing them. In these situations, hiring a machine and doing it yourself can make good sense. If you decide to hire a machine, it doesn't matter too much what type of machine you use. I'll explain really. They're all cheaper makes and low powered. They're designed for people who don't really understand much about carpets or carpet cleaning equipment or carpet cleaning products. So the cheapest is often as good, or I should say just as bad as any other. Before you even hire the machine though, check out the machine manufacturer's website just to make sure that the machine is suitable to clean your carpets. Some carpets are not suitable to be wet cleaned, and some carpets should only be cleaned by professionals using the right products, the right equipment and the right technique. If your carpet is one of these and you clean it yourself, the chances of ruining it are very high. And of course, you're responsible for that, not the company that rented you the machine. Personally, I never rent out any of our equipment because the risk of damaging your carpets from DIY cleaning is so high. I don't want that for you. Rental machine companies such as Rug Doctor have a list of carpets that should not be cleaned using their machines, and it's on their website. So even if you're not hiring a Rug Doctor machine, it would be a good idea to check their list of suitable carpets against your carpet, because the same principles will apply no matter what machine you hire. Having done that and decided to hire a machine, you'll need to pay the rental for the machine plus a deposit in case you damage the machine. You'll need to buy the carpet cleaning products, usually a detergent and spot and stain removers, and a defoamer to stop the machine being damaged by the detergent. You should always check what amounts of cleaning products you'll need, because this will really affect the results you get. Once you've got the machine and your cleaning products, take some time to become familiar with how to operate the equipment that you've got. Put it together, switch it on and off and test it out. Also check how to use each of the cleaning products you use, because using the wrong products, using too much of it, can harm your carpets. If you're sensitive to detergents, you absolutely should not use these machines. Now, once you're familiar with how it all works, you can begin cleaning your carpets. Now, be aware that these machines will get your carpets very wet, and drying will take a long time. To avoid any nasty smells caused by bacterial growth from the carpets being wet for a long time, it would be wise to use an antibacterial product and maybe a deodorizing product as well, although of course this will increase the price substantially. Remember to put coasters under the feet of any furniture, as furniture stains on your carpets can be permanent. Keep in mind that cleaning is physically hard work. You need to do more than just lift a heavy machine. You're going to replace heavy furniture, and it would be a good idea to allow around an hour to clean a medium-sized room, maybe more if there's a lot of furniture to move and then put back. Of course, cleaning carpets yourself will be cheaper than having a professional do it for you. A good, reputable carpet cleaner will use equipment that will clean your carpets much, much better than you could ever do it yourself. After all, if the cheap hire machines were any good, all professional carpet cleaners would be using them. A professional will know what products will be right for your carpet, how to get the best results, and perhaps more importantly, what products not to use on your carpets. A knowledgeable professional will also be able to get your carpets dry really fast, something that you can't do with a hire machine. If you're willing to take the risk and your carpets and do all the work yourself, then hiring a machine can be a good idea. It can make good sense. Please don't use your own products in a hire machine. Certain chemicals can cause damage to your carpets and also to the machine that you hired. If you damage a hire machine, it can work out far more expensive than you expected. So if you decide to go ahead, plan your work and work out the full cost and the amount of time you'll need to do the job properly. I hope this video is going to help.